excited. I'll take that as a yes. Like very colorful. Last day here in Guna Yala. So everybody's just taking a little photo shoot and we're about to have dinner, and then tomorrow we're heading back to Panama City. So living it up at the beach while we still have time. This was such an amazing experience and I'm so thankful.
Time in Guna Yala has been amazing. I feel like I've really connected to my own indigenous roots while being here, and just seeing how the people have their own like laws, their way of life. They are able to live how they originally lived, and learning about their ancestral principles has been really rewarding, and everything that they've shared with us has been really humbling and rewarding and rich experience.
Thank you.
I kind of went into this trip without really knowing what we're going to be doing and have many expectations, and it just blew them all away. We got to see the indigenous community and speak with so many different people, including people who were trans and genderqueer, and spiritual leaders, and people who were practiced in their medicine and botany, and so many opportunities that I would have never gotten anywhere else. We are staying in a touristy area, but we got to talk to the people, the family who runs this place. We got to visit multiple different communities, And the beach is amazing. You can't go wrong with the sand and the ocean.
Look at this. Look at this. LIU Global is the only university I know of where we would get to go hang out on an island in the Caribbean and learn about some awesome indigenous communities. And I'm super grateful for that because this is, the best experience I've had. Thank you.
My favorite part about this experience at Guna Yala has been the fact that it's essentially a vacation. We're living on an island, drinking coconuts every day, swimming in the ocean, but we also have a lot of exposure to learning new things. We get to talk to a lot of the members of the indigenous community about their economy, about their medicine, about their culture, and everything that they do from their day-to-day life and what they wear to who they are. And it's just the perfect balance between fun and learning. And I have learned so much here from these people, and I've also had the best time